Hello soulmates, welcome back to another tutorial. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Muna, and on today's video we're going to learn how to cut this trendy handkerchief skirts. If it's something you like, make sure you stick around and watch this video till the end. For this tutorial, we are cutting just the down parts, which can be sewn as a skirt or a gown. So first of all, you want to fold your fabric into four like this, like you're cutting like a 360 flea. Next thing, you want to divide your waist measurement by 6.25 if you're adding a zip, while if you're adding an elastic waistband, you divide your hip measurement by 6.25. So after doing that, any answer you get, you're just going to make a circle from that point, just as you see me doing like this. I hope you understand. If you are fixing a zipper, divide your waist measurement by 6.25. But if you are fixing an elastic waistband, divide your hip measurement by 6.25. So any answer you get, you just make a circle all around like I did earlier, just like this. And after doing that, this point here of your fabric, this side here will be for the short length, while the other side also will serve as the short length of your skirt. So next thing, you want to take your short length measurement. So depending on the length you want, mine I took about 22 inches for the short length. So I'm just marking it out like this, and I added extra 1 inch for fold, so I mark out 23 inch. So depending on you, on how short you want it to be, so you're just going to take the measurements like this on both sides. So after taking the first side, you're going to come towards the side and also mark the same measurements just like this. And after doing that, you're just going to use your ruler to make a straight line like this, letting the both side meet in one point. So you're going to use your chalk and your ruler, you're going to just make a straight line just as you see me doing like this on both sides. After doing that, you're just basically going to cut it out, and that's all for drafting out this handkerchief sketch. You can either make it a two-step, or you can just make it a one-step, just like this. So you're just going to cut it out just as you see me doing like this. And as you can see, our handkerchief skirt is already out in shape like this. And for this part here, I'll be cutting out the short part. So if you didn't get to understand the first part for the bigger part, I hope you get to understand the short part, because I'm making a two-step handkerchief skirt. So first of all, you want to fold your fabric firstly into two. You want the two hem of your Ankara fabric to meet each other like this. Make sure they are properly arranged, just as you see me doing like this. You don't have to rush, you just have to arrange your fabric nicely. Next, you're just going to flip it over just like this, like we usually fold for our peplum or for our round flare. So make sure the fabric is properly placed like this. You don't have to rush, you just have to take time and make sure all your fabric is aligned properly. So next thing, I'm just going to take the bigger parts so that I can cut out the waist like this. So you're going to get the bigger parts and you're going to place it down like this. Make sure it's properly arranged. So you're just going to cut out the waistline like this, because they have the same waistline. But if you didn't get to understand, I said if you are making for a zipper, you're going to divide your waist measurement by 6.25. And if you're fixing an elastic band, you're going to divide your hip measurement by 6.25. So I've done that already on the bigger part, so I'm just going to cut out the same waistline on the smaller parts like this. And after you've done that, on that side there will be for the shorter part of flay. So I'm going to take my short length. I took about 10 inches there. So I added extra 1 inch for fold, that's 11 inches. So I'm just going to mark it out like this. It's the same way we did for the bigger part. So for this other side, you're going to take the same measurement you took for the other side like this. Next thing, you're just going to use your ruler to make a straight line like this, and let the both lines align in one point like this. So let them cross each other in one point like this, so that it will have that sharp edge for our handkerchief flame, just as you see me doing like this. So I hope you understand this part. So basically the same way I did for the shorter part, that's the same way I did for the bigger part. So next thing, you're just going to cut it out. And after doing that, that's basically all for the cutting of the skirt. This is the short part of the skirt. You can either make it as a skirt or as a gown. And if you get to watch this video to this extent and you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And this is the final result of mine. I made it as a gown. You can make yours any design of your choice. So yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.